My journey didn't start with belief in myself. There was no vision of what could be. There was simply a realization that something had to change or my journey was at an end. I'm Shay, and around 4 years ago, I started down this path to a healthier life. I lost over 100 pounds and I rebuilt my identity from the ground up. And one thing I realized very quickly is that I wanted to help as many people as I could find the freedom through movement that I found. When movement became something that was just part of my identity versus something that I had to do, everything changed. And one of the single most important things that I've learned on my journey is that action precedes belief. When I stopped waiting to believe in myself, wondering whether I could do it or not, and just did it, then I realized I could do it. And this set off a chain of events that was unstoppable. But my story isn't unique, and I'm not special. I know that you don't believe in yourself now, but I know that if you start, you will. Welcome aboard, my friend. Get ready for the journey of a lifetime.